Travis,
Sir.
we had quite a day.
Oh my goodness, it was on from get-go.
Zeke?
Man, that was a day.
Steaks. Deb's doing the cooking. There's 5 steaks right there. What do you think, boys?
We saw some elk today. I went east towards the Finger.
I still feel 25 most of the time. I still raise a little cane with the boys. I'll be an old
That's why you bring a 20-year-old man up here. There's nobody eating any better than us up here.
I don't think so.
Sam, I think I'm the only guy hauling carrots to give to my mules. What's 12 times 11?
You ride a black tornado across the western sky, roping old blue norther and milk it till it's dry. Bulldog the Mississippi, financiers down flat, long before you take this cowboy's hat.
Here, just a minute. Here.
Wore me out. And we were right on them. We were bugling them. They were bugling right back. As soon as we got within 200, 250 yards, they just quit bugling.
Old worn out saddles and old worn out memories, but no one and no place to stay. My heroes have always been cowboys, and they still are, it seems.
I'm going to bed. I'm tired.
20 to 8 and he's in bed.
I can tell you that was a lot of walking.
Call this a mule train right here.
Everything that I got is just what I've got on. I ain't got a dime, but what I got is mine. I ain't rich, but Lord, I'm free. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's where I'll be. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's where I'll be.
All of a sudden, I hear bugling. One fired up, 2 or 3 minutes, another bull fired up, another one fired up behind him, those two down farther behind them. There was 4 bulls in this bowl.
I think it's bullshit.
I could have shot either one of those 2 smaller bulls.
And you'll have good times doing things that you don't understand.
What do you think, Sam? Cold beer.
Chickens for dinner.
Zeke, that chicken looks absolutely great. Doesn't get any better than this. There's nothing better than chicken like this. Travis, how's the chicken?
Absolutely excellent.
We had some drama with the mules.
Yeah,
Zeke,
I think it was a bear. But
where Sam, the mules? What happened?
All I know, they're gone.
Thing we came back, they were gone.
Well,
We weren't part of that. We didn't let them all go.
The last thing I needed, the first thing this morning, was to have you walk out on me.
we have 7 head missing.